Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're going to make a wholesome and delicious Egyptian breakfast dish known as Foul Medammes. This dish is great for vegans and vegetarians. It's basically brown fava beans cooked in tomato-based sauce until mushy, and it's wonderful on toast, obviously on Egyptian bread as well, pita bread or Lebanese bread. Everybody makes them differently, and here's how we make it at home. And we use canned fava beans instead of making them from scratch, just because it's much faster to prepare for us. We'll start out with olive oil on our pan on medium heat and toss in our onions. You can use red onions for a stronger flavor, but I prefer to use white onions. I'm adding in coriander powder and cumin powder immediately because I want it to toast while the onions cook down. Add in a tiny bit of garlic paste and mix them all up. Then we're going to add in a cup of fresh chopped tomatoes and a squeeze of 1 lemon or half a lemon if you like. I also like to add harissa paste in my foul just to give it a spicy kick, and if you don't have that, feel free to use any type of chili that you have. Then I'm adding in my canned brown fava beans, and the can I am using now is already seasoned with Egyptian spices because that's all I had in my pantry. However, the spices are not strong in flavor and you can barely taste it, and that's why I add in my own seasonings too. I use the same method to cook plain canned fava beans as well, except I just add in way more seasonings just to make it stronger in flavor. Then I'm going to be adding in salt and black pepper, and I will leave it to simmer on medium to medium-high heat, stirring every once in a while so it doesn't stick to the pot, because I like my Foul Medammes to have a slightly thicker sauce, and I like my fava beans to be a bit mushy. After leaving them to simmer and dry out, the final step for me is to add in the chopped coriander and parsley, whichever one you have available. I personally prefer parsley leaves because I already have coriander powder in there. Some people like to pour olive oil or tahini sauce on top of their Foul Medammes before serving, but we just like it the way that it is, right out of the pan. So thanks for watching, and as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!